Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Here we go. Right into the through Pathfinder that I moved. Through Pathfinder, please go forward.
Yeah, buddy, I got 3 right here and an ambulance stuff. I got 4 ahead of it. So I'll be down there if I can, but I am.
Please move back. Please move back. Thank you.
Pull money out for you right now, brother.
I hold it up.
I did! I got it all up top, baby! Wait a second. I'll get a better run at it. I think that big hole. Lifesaver, boy. I wish I didn't have to charge for it, but it cost me so much.
You're good,
money.
man. I'll look out for you. Don't worry about it.
Appreciate it.
I'll take care of everybody. Good car will come back around. Hey, how do you put I save it to somebody? I want to be good.
Yeah, save someone.
I should be good other than that, boy.
I got a whole 70. Joey. Hey, Adam. Adam. Is that even? I don't know if he's Hey, most 7 don't think this cheap. Actually, hey, shut up. Hey, it's time to upgrade. Time to upgrade. Actually, if you want to know from perspective, they got a 302 in that, so it's all right. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Actually, from my perspective, a whole lot of Chevys got this thing today. Yeah, it's a good thing he had no lady to bail it out. GoPro on the front of his truck.
I don't know if I told you, I was in artillery in the Marine Corps, so I can try and read your lips, but I can't hear what you're saying. Wait, put it in two-wheel drive. Put it in two-wheel drive.
All right, here we go, baby. We're going to have to turn the steering wheel towards me a little bit. I'll start. There you go, right now. The other way. Turn the steering wheel the other way. Turn your wheel that way.
Perfect. That's not doing it right. Back up a little bit more, get some more light on him. I gotta be going up that way.
Hey, Doug, can you move forward a little bit? Who's going to get close to your front end? I think I could get him, but stay here. I'm still going to be in the deep stuff. Did I? Okay, thank you. That would help to pull that in. It's been a long day. Chevys.
Don't do your Chevys like that.
My whole family.
Two very boring minutes later.
This was maybe a week ago.
I was go. Get a snack, you're gonna have fun, right?
You got me and only me, so patience is a virtue seldom found in women and never in men.
Good. Turn your wheel this way when we get up around the corner. Here we go. Be ready. I'm yanking you like a red-headed stepchild.
I'm getting ready to pull forward, guys, with this big truck. You might have to go out for me. You said you know how to do this, so let's see if you hit the gas at the right time. Here we go.
Wait. Pay attention.
I'm weak, baby.
Stop. You got to turn your wheel towards me.
Keep it right
And then look out the window. Turn the wheel this way.
Turn the wheel towards my truck. Here we go, baby.
Joe, don't get stuck last time. You paying attention?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Later, in the void.
Put in park, turn the car off. Hey, look. I know it's your fault.
I know, but it wasn't like intentional.
I understand, but I had you said you done this before I got it.
Yeah, but I mean,
I tell you what. It only
it's a
moved
brand
my
new
bumper
truck.
about a half an inch.
Hey, look, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. If you want to walk away from this,
all fairness, they keep the gas in the
like, I'm not worried about it. If you want to walk away from this, just walk away from it. I've got video saying that that's not my responsibility.
I'm not on that.
Just
It's your truck.
I will.
Is your truck okay? Is your truck okay?
Look, promise you, I'm walking away from this, and this is
Not his responsibility. Not his responsibility.
yeah.
He hates your trumpet.
Yeah.
He hates your trumpet.
No, you have to say it.
Just said it.
Is your
I'm
truck
not.
okay?
Hey, I'm not.
It moved the bumper about a half